Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how to paint this simple pumpkin cutout. I'm going to go in first and base coat my pumpkin in the color Cotton, which is a Dixie Belle color, and Cotton is their brightest and whitest white. And all this paint you can purchase on our website, buildacross.com. I've gone in with the color Cobalt Blue and blended that in with my white. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of white, a little bit of blue here and there until I'm happy with the way it's blended and the color outcome that I have. And then I'm going to allow everything to dry completely. And once it's dry, I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker and do some hand lettering. You could go in with vinyl if you prefer. Vinyl works great on our products. Just make sure your paint is completely dry. But I'm going in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker to do this lettering. And then I will be done. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a wonderful day.